Yan, no? Saan ka pa? Libreng food. Yan. Libreng pagkain. Bukas na yung ating bakon. So may libreng pagkain. Bigayin ni Ate Josie. May depos. Ayaw ko na yan. Itong itlog lang, titirahin ko. Kain. Libre.
There's a reason all boys make especially attentive players.
Suka.
Just like there's a reason.
Yum. Gawin na natin to. Jeff Rocks.
There's a reason to go big.
Libre.
Morgan and Morgan.
Last day kasi natin Jo.
Injury longer.
Yum. Salamat. Salamat sa pagkain. Libre.
This is the second time we used Seller's Advantage, and it was worth it. It was nice. It allows us to just focus on the
balik ko na tayo dito kasi marami yan. May book si Edwin Mora. Guys, yung cloud chasing is super. Ako na lahat ng timeline. Huwag niyo bigyan ng audience and mileage. Talaga naman ang pila-pil. Di ba naman ay? No, hindi. Guys, oh my God, yung reach ko, 240 million. Magkano reach ni Edwin Hamora ay 456. 456 nga lang yung reaction sa post niya. Nakakaya. So siya pa yung cloud chaser, yung wala naman akong ginawa sa buhay niya, pero ako yung content niya, ako yung topic niya.
Sarap ng suka.
Guys, marespeto ako sa mga matatanda, pero hindi sa mga baklang kurami. Who's that? Teresa Alvarez.
Sa likod ng sa ano tayo?
I remember natin siya tama pala, yes. Dito tayo.
Na-afford ang almost everything na mo kasi.
Suka pa lang. The best.
I love you, Gio.
I don't think you're the type na maghirap or mag-movement ng gamit. Wait, may mulot. Exactly. Halos na kami po.
One share lang doon yung
O diba? One share lang yung usap mo yung cloud chaser. Guys, the cloud chases me. I'm not a cloud chaser. The cloud chases me. O diba? Eventually, Diana, watch your 20 react. Ano pa? Totoo yan. Mausa na ingon ni Panat Bay nga gusto ka mag-Duterte, invite ka nila kasi yung pasay sa yes. Invitation yon. So for example, during the inauguration.
Ay, teka, meron pa lang kung sa siya, Edwin Hamora, I heard that there's a Bruce, aka
Marap.
I don't even major na sinungaling tambangin. Kaya ka nanatali ng cyber library, sabi niya na, hindi na Hamora, i-publish ko ba yung chat mo sa akin?
pangit mo, Edwin.
Okay guys, ito ang account ni Edwin. Sige na.
Oh, my friend, how are you? That's it. Yeah, good.
Great.
That's it. I don't know. One more day. Oh, business.
Go to Vegas?
No, business. No, yeah, cook. I have, side business.
That's good.
Then I'm gonna drop my friend to airport, like LAX. Nice, so.
He's going back home?
Yeah, he's going back.
Good for him.
Emergency.
Oh,
Yeah, for his dad, yeah.
okay, enjoy.
All right, thanks. You too.
Sige, parinig mo, parinig mo.
Mm.
Sa mga sinasabi ko ng ano,
Mga ating Jeprox. Jeprox. Suka. Sarap. Sarap. Jeprox. Crunchy.
we were discussing that. ICC,
Crunchy.
You're under the radar, Tio Moreno. You being watched by anonymous group in due time.
Thank you.
Tell that to your boss, Amo Booker. Guys, I was the one
Sarap.
who uncovered myself publicly.
Tapa. The best.
Ano pa? Sino pa dito? Char, may anonymous.
So good. Crunchy.
Nagkatawa ko silang pinakalugan sa tanas daw. Lagi nga nag-hubad si Tio. Bakit din? Exactly. Nag-hubad ako always. Hindi ako nagdagamit. Hindi. Wait. Ano ba? Ito si Joey, sinabihan ko siya na hindi siya mag-screenshot ng conversation nila ni Edwin because hahanapan yan siya ng pala ni Edwin for yung privacy issues, mga ganyan. So, yung artist na pakita
natin to.
conversation talaga.
Bye-bye.
Pero kanina, I already reminded Joey to screenshot everything because the moment na i-delete
Diyan na pa tayo.
Edwin yung conversation nila, Joey still has the copy. That they are really talking, that they really know each other, parang ganyan. So, ito yung sinasabi namin guys, na hindi sanad kami pumapasol talaga sa